Hi, I'm Marna, and I thought I'd do a little review, short review on the cloth claw machine Mattel Barbies. Actually, they're Sega. Darren gets these for me out of the, what is the name? It's not Sugarloaf, but they have the Sugarloaf stuffed toys in it. We get the reindeer at Christmas. I love those. Darren's really good at the claw machine. Most of these he got in one swing. I think one it took him 3 times and a couple it took him 2 times. But I thought they were cute. I just wanted to show you. They are cloth. They have little cloth outfits on. They all have the Barbie name on them. Some have, I'm not crazy about the hair, but you know, they're Barbie, they're cute, they're fun, and they're $1. Now, if you stand there and put $20 in to get one, you know, but for that $1, $2, even $5, it's not a bad deal. You can't buy these anywhere else that I know of. They have the Barbie tag, Mattel tag, and you know, all the probably says this is poisonous or something, who knows. They have the Barbie plush doll tag, hand, what do you call these things, on them. And inside it has these little sayings. Each one's different. Barbie loves to dance in her ballet recitals. On the back, it's Sega Prize International. And it is, I read it earlier. Okay, here it is. Barbie and associated trademarks and trade dress are owned by and used under the license from Mattel. So it is a Mattel licensed Barbie. Anyway, they come in 3 different, that we've seen so far. They come in 3 different colors, skin and hair. 2 we have found have a ponytail, which I think's real cute. I think, I'm not positive now, but I think this one also comes in a ponytail. And they have cute little pretend shoes on, so they always have their little shoes. As you can see, like I said, they all have the Barbie name on them, the Barbie tag, the Mattel tag. I just thought they were fun. So yeah, I've started collecting them. I also brought out my 28-inch Barbies to show you a little dress I found on eBay. Comes in 2 different lengths. I think it fits her really well. It's for the 18-inch dolls. I got one in purple and one in mustard. Cute little fall print dresses. Oh! And I wanted to say too, I forgot to say this, the claw machine also has other dolls like Strawberry Shortcake, Betty Boop. This is not my favorite Betty Boop. They do have some with legs. I'd like to get those. And there's, I don't know, 3 or 4 different Betty Boops. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you go in Walmart and you're coming out, or one of the other stores that have the claw machine, check for Barbie. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Love to hear from you.